All right, so let me give you a quick intro, okay? You might have seen many YouTubers actually using their voice to type. So basically, they'll go to a web page like this, and then in order to type, you just hold a button on your keyboard and then press that keyboard button and then just start talking whatever you want. And once you release that keyboard button, automatically the text gets typed wherever your cursor was. So let me try that again. Mic test 1, 2, 3. That's it. And as you can see, the text is coming. So you might have seen many YouTubers do this, and they will suggest that you need to get an app like Wispr Flow to do this. Okay. Most of the time, the pricing is quite high in these apps. So you have to pay to use this because the transcription happens on their servers. So it needs a pricing because they have cost to run their servers. But in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative that is completely free and it doesn't require any cloud servers or any account. The transcription will happen on your device itself, on your laptop itself, and the accuracy is very good. So you get whatever quality that you get in this, the same quality and the same accuracy you will get in the tool that I'm going to show you. How many of you are ready? If you are ready, let's get started. Now, before we go into the video, I want to tell you about my AI masterclass that is happening this Saturday at 11 a.m. Indian time. If you are interested in learning more about AI and then starting your own AI business, make sure you attend this webinar and masterclass. I have given the link in the description. You can just go to that link and then sign up for the webinar. Once you have signed up, you can come back to this video and let's continue. So the app that I'm using today to do my dictation for free is called as Handy. So this is the website. You can just type handy.computer. It's completely free and it's available on multiple platforms. So when you go into this link, you can see it's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So it is available on multiple platforms and it is free. So let's begin. I'm going to download it. As you can see, the application has been downloaded. So I'm going to open it and double click it. And then you just drag and drop. For on Mac to install it, you just drag and drop and then it will be installed. And once you do that, you can just open the app over here, open this, and then type Handy and open that. And then initially it will ask for these two permissions. So microphone access, just give that permission. And then next it'll ask for accessibility. We can also give that. Okay. So once I do this step, it will ask for a model to download. So this is the model that is going to convert your speech into text, and Parakeet V3 is the recommended one. So you just select that, then it will start downloading. So just click on Parakeet V3 and then it will download that model on your computer. So we have successfully completed the setup of Handy. So now what we need to do is you just need to select a transcribe shortcut and whether you want to enable push to talk. So if push to talk is enabled, it means you have to keep holding the key in order to dictate. And then as soon as you remove the key, the dictation will stop. So that's what it means, push to talk. And transcribe shortcut, what I prefer to keep is actually to have your right option key. So once you do this setup, like say if I'm just holding my right option key, as you can see at the bottom, you will see that bar and you can see waveform, the audio waveform that is coming at the bottom. So once I release the key, it's going to start typing the text. So as you can see how instant it was, immediately we get the output. So let me do another one. This is my final test. So it's able to easily type everything. Okay, now I want to tell you about our own tool which we have developed. So this is called as GravityWrite. And this tool lets you have 10 different functionalities in a single tool. So for example, let's say you want to upload an audio file or a video file and then you want to transcribe that. So instead of doing live dictation, let's say if you have an audio or video file and you want to convert that into a text and then get summaries out of that or do any kind of prompting or anything with that. So if you want to transcribe it, what you can do is, so instead of using this particular dictation tool, you can use a tool like GravityWrite and then it will take you to a page like this. So I've just signed in. And then now if you just simply go into this summarizer, here you can upload any audio or video file and then instantly get a summary. So one more best part about this is it can understand all local languages. So even if you are speaking Hindi, Tamil or Telugu or any language, it can even transcribe that. So there are multiple inputs that you can give. So you can give a video file, audio file, or even a YouTube link, and immediately you will get both the transcript, and also the gist or a summary of that file. And few more options that you have here is you can also choose the template. Let's say if you require the summary in a particular format, or if you require a certain output from the transcript, what you can do is just click on manage templates and then just add your own template. So you can call it as a bullet list, and then you can say here something like, give me a list of bullet points which was mentioned in the video transcript. So like this we do, where we just simply ask for a bullet list, and this is our prompt that got saved. And then now anytime we put a video, we are going to get this bullet list. So that's how it works. That's how easy it is. I'm going to try uploading a video and see what we get. So let me upload this file. I'm going to click on transcribe, and here you can see that we have two tabs. This is where you get the transcript, and this is where you get the summary. We just got the summary in bullet points, like I mentioned. So that's what I wanted to show you today. So we saw both how you can dictate and then how you can upload your video or your audio files and get the transcripts from them. And there is a lot more features on GravityWrite. I recommend you try those as well. And I just wanted to share this free tool that is one of the most used tool on my laptop right now. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and make sure you sign up for the AI Masterclass, which is happening this weekend. So thank you for staying till the end. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.